All Parties Hurriyat Conference Vice Chairman Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar has said that the popular martyred youth leader Burhan Wani is a symbol of resistance against the Indian repression in occupied Kashmir. APHC leader said that Burhan Wani was the symbol of fear for India and a hero of the Kashmiri people. Special Investigation Unit of the Indian Police has raided several houses in the Kishtwar district of the Jammu region. The sleuths of the SIU along with Indian paramilitary and police personnel conducted raids on the houses of the people affiliated with the ongoing struggle for the right to self-determination in the district. All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter held a reception at its office in Islamabad in the honor of the leaders of the Kashmir movement in the UK, Europe, Spain and Scotland, in which the speakers demanded of the UN to implement its resolutions on the Kashmir to restore its lost credibility. The speaker said that the Kashmiris living abroad are playing their full role in highlighting the Kashmir cause. President People's Democratic Party Mehbooba Mufti has said that justice has lost its meaning in occupied Kashmir since the abrogation of the special status of the territory on 5th August 2019. Mehbooba Mufti, in a news article published by the news portal The Wire, wrote that since 5th August 2019, every institution meant to uphold and safeguard the rights of the Kashmiri people have been subverted with impunity in Kashmir. 4 passengers, including 3 women, died, while 8 others sustained critical injuries in a road accident in Rajouri district in the occupied Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir Tehreek-e-Muzahimat, a constituent of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, has termed India's attempts to hoodwink the international community about the ground situation of the occupied Kashmir as shameful. Acting Chairman Mohammad Salim Zargar, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said India has unleashed a chain of events in the occupied Jammu and Kashmir to satisfy its colonial ego and to propagate its illegal and false narrative. Members of Hindutva organizations pelted stones on a mosque in Telangana state's Gajwal town, which has been reeling under communal tension since Monday evening. The members of the right-wing Hindu organizations took to the streets, raising religious slogans Jai Shri Ram on Tuesday.